What's up guys, and the dream Samsung leak is here. We have so much to talk about. First up, the Galaxy S10. The most awaited phone after the Galaxy S8 is coming, or I should say the Galaxy S10s are coming. Yes, as we heard last time that there will be 3 Galaxy S10 phones. The Beyond family gets divided into 3 phones. Beyond Z, more practical super wide angle lens. For those wide angle shots, it's gonna be 123-degree wide, just a little bit more than the 120 of the LG V30. I absolutely love the wide angle camera feature, and Samsung might finally bring it to the 10th anniversary Galaxy, and it will be the absolute first time we have ever seen a wide angle lens on a Samsung flagship phone. So the main camera sensor is coming at 12 megapixel with f1.5 and f2.4 variable aperture, and the secondary wide angle lens camera is said to be coming at 16 megapixel with f1.9 aperture. No optical image stabilization on the wide angle lens. It might be having some kind of software stabilization, so we don't know about that. And as for the Galaxy S10 Beyond 2 model, we have triple cameras. And I can honestly say that the dream is real. The dream camera that we have been waiting for is finally coming with the Galaxy S10 Plus, aka the Beyond 2 model. So the main sensor is the Pro Beyond 1 and Beyond 2. Beyond 0 is the Galaxy S10 base affordable model with a 5.8-inch flat infinity display. Beyond 1 is the Galaxy S10 with a 5.8-inch edge display and dual cameras, whereas the Beyond 2 is the Galaxy S10 Plus with triple freaking cameras and a big 6.2-inch display. Now this leak has been taken to the next level just a couple of hours ago courtesy of allaboutsamsung.com. They have reported some details on how the camera specs will be on these Beyond models. So Beyond 0 and Beyond 1 Galaxy S10 models will feature a dual camera, and it will be different compared to their previous dual camera systems that we have seen on the Note 8 or on the S9 battery, and a 4 set of quad speakers tuned by AKG. This time it's having total of 5 sensors on top, which means we can expect the iris and facial scanning system on this new tablet. Ice Universe also tweeted about the Galaxy Gear S4 watch, which is probably going to be renamed as Galaxy Watch. It will be based on Android Wear with 4070 mAh battery, process line packaging, and a new UI change with blood pressure measurement. So in a nutshell, here is everything that Samsung is expected to announce in 2018. We got the Galaxy Note 9, brand new Galaxy Watch, a new Bixby speaker, and a Tab S4. So yeah guys, clearly the exciting leak is with the Galaxy S10. It's coming with the most complete smartphone camera setup that we have ever seen. Beyond 2 is coming with triple cameras, the telephoto, wide angle lens, along with the main variable aperture camera sensor. So much awesome stuff. It's gonna retain the headphone jack, as the base S10 will not going to have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Instead, it will be having a side fingerprint scanner, which means it could be at the side, or he might meant it on the back side. I'm not exactly sure about this. It most probably be on the back, while the Beyond 1 and Beyond 2 will rock the first ever Samsung's in-display fingerprint scanner. Now with the Galaxy S10 family, Samsung has its focus set on making the best in-display fingerprint solution to do all this, which could make it thicker. Also, the N960U models have been spotted among the FCC documents confirming the model number, and this will be the Snapdragon variant, and the International Note 9 will going to have an Exynos 9810. The support pages for the international models are up in Finland, Denmark, France, and Norway. And here are the official Galaxy Note 9 cases with their pricing. Also, Samsung's high-end flip phone is coming back. It's going to be called as Samsung W 2019, and it's currently being developed under the Project Lyca name, and it is said to be exclusive to China, might be coming soon. And now with dual cameras similar to the Note 8 or S9 Plus, it will have the latest specification along with Android Oreo software. The release could be expected around November or December of this year. Also, we have our first Galaxy Tab S4 render leak, and it's not truly infinity. The bezels are shorter than Tab S3, but still they are big. The tablet is around 10.5 inches and it's coming with Snapdragon 835 chipset, 7,300 milliamp hour that they might ditch the iris scanner again to make the bezels go away. But there's still a chance that we might see a 3D facial scanner. Yep, that's right, according to a new patent, which shows that Samsung is working on a 3D face scanning camera to be used in mobile devices. The patent includes numerous functions, including motion detection, eye tracking, 3D time of flight sensing, night vision. There will be a new infrared sensor and a biometric camera itself to read the facial features and store the information. Now, the filing date for this patent was in 2014. It only just came to the scene, and we can't say for sure. And wide range of options will definitely bring Samsung back to the top. I can't wait for this awesomeness next year, and that's why it's worth the wait. Now let's talk about the present, and the present is the Galaxy Note 9. On August the 9th, live in New York City, we're going to see Samsung officially announcing the Galaxy Note 9, and there have been some new leaks. The full official colors have been revealed from an S Pen leak, so it will be available in black, purple, brown, gray, and blue. No sighting of the teased yellow colors, so it might be the color of the S Pen only. There have been some case leaks as well showing the same design as the Note 8, further confirming everything that we have seen. Pretty similar to the Note 8 with just better fingerprint reader. The S Pen is now confirmed to have Bluetooth according to the tipster Ice Universe. The S Pen could double as a wireless Bluetooth speaker. It is also expected to control the streaming of music and operate a long-range timer. It could also allow you to take S Pen controlled photos. If you're alone, you can have your phone on the tripod and then take photos by pressing that S Pen key while connected via Bluetooth. The S Pen will of course need a battery, sure that it will be on the S10. It might be ready for the Galaxy Note 10, but there's still a lot of time left for the Galaxy S10 to come out, and it can still happen with the S10. So might actually have the complete security system on one phone, in-display fingerprint scanner as well as a 3D facial scanner. So Samsung will be bringing its ultimate bezel-less design with the S10. Pretty sure they're not going to risk by using pop-up stuff or motorized parts. They will stick to the traditional bezel reduction, but it will be beautiful and much improved compared to the current generation. We actually have another new patent about the bezel display, which is something beyond itself, something we could see in 2020 or beyond those years. A phone with all display look. Not only we have the display on the front, but it's also on the back, attached via some kind of metal magnetic strips. There are 4 models shown, all with dual displays with different bezel thickness. The front and rear displays can function independently, meaning you can open different applications at the same time on these displays. Like you can play games on one display and like watch movie or YouTube on the other. This is what the future of the phones is. They're going to be much more than just the phones of today's era. They will allow us to do more and more. Again, this is a very futuristic patent, something that's not going to happen soon, but it's nice that Samsung is not settling down and they will continue to bring new innovation. Twitter leakster Ice Universe tweeted about the release date of the Galaxy S10, and seems like Samsung has swapped the Galaxy X for the Galaxy S10. Now we're going to see the Galaxy X at CES 2018, whereas the S10 will get officially announced at MWC 2019 in Barcelona. The Samsung Galaxy X, of course, is going to be a limited number release. It's not going to be in the same numbers as their current flagship phones, whereas the S10 family is going to be a much bigger thing for Samsung. So they're bringing that at MWC and making sure that they're ready with every new feature and every new innovation. Samsung's Q2 2018 earnings are out and it's not looking great. It's actually down by 40%. So the Galaxy S10 with the most complete camera system, 12 megapixel with f1.5/f2.4 variable aperture camera sensor, plus a 2x optical zoom camera and a super wide angle lens coming at 16 megapixel with f1.9 aperture. Holy hell, this is again a complete dream camera system on one phone. You're getting optical zoom, the live focus bokeh mode, and at the same time you're getting that super wide angle lens photos, insane camera shots, getting that insane view. It looks incredible, all on one Samsung flagship phone. It's insane. This is by far the best exciting leak I have been waiting for. Now, it's been mentioned in the report that the new wide-angle lens camera is currently planned on all Beyond models, but without OIS and autofocus. So it has its limitations, but you will be able to shoot some amazing wide-angle photos and videos too. I'm sure Samsung will have some software stabilization or something. Again, it's a very early leak about the cameras. We'll hear more about them soon. Now, we also have some fingerprint scanner details as well on individual Galaxy S10 models. So the Beyond Zero, well, there's not going to be any notch. There will be micro SD card slot for storage expansion. I mean, Samsung is giving us so many options. This thing is going to be incredible. Also, it will be pricey. It might actually cost $1,000, this triple camera phone. Again, we'll see if it's going to be worth that money. I mean, feature-wise, it's definitely looking very promising. Again, it could be cheaper. We don't know about pricing or anything like that. But I am interested to hear your thoughts about the new Galaxy S10 phones and what you think about the current Galaxy Note 9 and other range of products that will get announced soon. Let me know your thoughts. Again, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.